Get your cameras ready. Watch this now, watch this. It's going down. Here it comes.
Oh man, those hits are so smooth. Rest in peace, Carl Weathers. What up? Wil Vitela, home tech expert, back in Yorba Linda, California, here to install some Ring Pro hardwired outdoor cameras around the house. These are cameras that you don't need solar panels. You don't have to get up on a ladder and recharge batteries because these are the Pro hardwired version cameras. I got two overlooking the driveway, one towards the driveway on the side of the side gate and the other one overlooking the walkway covering the mailbox and somebody walking up towards the front door. And of course, over in the backyard, I've also installed a Ring camera floodlight, the Pro series, of course, to be able to look at the backyard. And it also has 2,000 lumens of light, so that way illuminates outside with motion. And of course, at the front door, I got the Ring video doorbell. If you want to get something done like this in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on schedule a free estimate.